Essential mineral elements. Most of the minerals present in the soil can enter plants through roots. Analysis of ashes of different plants reveal the presence of about 60 elements. All the 60 elements are not present in all plants. Only 16 elements are present in all plants. These elements are necessary for plants. Some elements are essential for certain plants only. Example, sodium is essential only for C4 plants and halophytes. Silicon is essential only for grasses and cobalt is essential for blue-green algae. Daniel Arnon and Perry Stout carried out experiments on the essentiality of nutrients in tomato plants. They laid down basic requirements to determine the essentiality of an element. These basic requirements are called Arnon's criteria of essentiality. Now let us see the criteria of essentiality. The element must be necessary for supporting normal growth and reproduction. In the absence of elements, the plants do not complete their life cycle or set the seeds. So it remains infertility. The requirements of the elements must be specific and not replaceable by another element. In other words, deficiency of any one element cannot be met by supplying some other elements. It causes some side effects to the plants. The elements must be directly involved in the metabolism of the plant, or else the plants will not continue its metabolicity. Now let us see the classification of mineral elements. The elements are classified into essential elements and non-essential elements. Now, these essential elements are again classified into macronutrients and micronutrients. Based upon the announced criteria for essentiality, 16 elements are found to be essential for plant growth and metabolism. Such elements are called essential elements. These elements are further divided into two categories based on their quantity requirements. Those are macronutrients and micronutrients. Some plants require some additional elements for the growth and reproduction. These elements are called non-essential elements. Example, sodium, silicon, aluminium, cobalt, selenium, strontium, vanadium. List of macronutrients. These are 9 elements and are generally present in plant tissues in large amounts. So those are called macronutrients, which includes carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These three elements are obtained from carbon dioxide and water, CO2 and H2O, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, calcium, magnesium. So these are absorbed from soil as mineral nutrients. So hydrogen, carbon and oxygen where we get from carbon dioxide and water. Now the list of micronutrients. These are 8 elements needed in very small amounts. Hence they are also called trace elements. So these include the trace elements are iron, manganese, copper, molybdenum, zinc, boron, chlorine, nickel.